Alright guys, so let's go. Open your PicsArt. So my internet's on, I'm gonna need it. So click on the plus sign below. Click on see more. Then click on background. Alright, so we're gonna use a background color. We're gonna make it white. So now we have our PicsArt workspace open up. So now next thing, we go to tools, and then we'll click on crop. So we scroll through Instagram portrait down here. All right, and you click on OK. So I'll go to add image. So I took a screenshot of Ronaldo post on Instagram, so I'm going to be using. So I'll tap on it twice because I need 2 of the pictures. All right, so this is a screenshot I took from Ronaldo's Instagram. So we're going to do the one with Ronaldo. Right, so I'll go again on crop, and I'm going to crop out this part of the post. And I click on OK. I'm going to make this big enough. Oh, my bad. Position it properly. Select the other one, and I'll crop this section. Right, so I'm just going to enlarge it. Alright, make it fit properly like that. So I touch my screen. I'm not going to click here. I did not click here. Alright, so I'm just touching my screen so I can equally still highlight them. So if I click here, I'm going to save it. If I click on good, I will save it. So I won't be able to highlight this. So the next thing now, touch on your background. Next thing, go to add photo. And then before we do that, sorry. So when you touch on your background, next thing you go to stickers. And then you have to connect it to the internet. You search for paper tier and you scroll through. Wait for them to load up. So we're going to be using this paper tier sticker. Alright, so click on it, insert it, make it to be as big as you want. So I'll do the size. You can see I can still highlight the other elements. Alright, so this is it. Next, I'll touch certain part of my background. I will not click on good. I'm not clicking here. So be careful. If you do that, you'll save it and you'll not be able to do the effect. Alright, so the next thing, we go to add photo and select the photo we want to do the trick with and click on add. So this is the photo. I'm going to make it big enough, position it the way I want. Alright, I think this is good enough. So next we'll click on our layer button here, and then you click move down and we'll send it behind the sticker. Okay, now the next thing is you click on the eraser at the top, click on it, and then click on invert. Yeah, we're gonna have that. So now I adjust my hardness to about 90. So now we're gonna restore. When you click on invert, immediately you're going to see restore being checked, highlighted for you. And then our eraser or restore size is now at 50. Okay, so we're going to use our finger to restore certain parts of the image. Okay, like by swiping it here, we're going to restore it like that. If you do outside, you restore outside of the sticker, so you have to be careful not to do outside. So I'm just going to do this really quick. Alright guys, so that's it. So you can now click on your background or on the picture, click on OK please. You can now click on good, and this is what we have. Okay, so if you want to do some editing on the sticker, that's going to be up to you. I'm just going to leave mine like this. If you want to, you can highlight it and go to adjust, do some playing with the brightness, contrast, and any of this, whichever you want to do with it. Alright guys, so that's just it. So when you're done doing whatever you want to do with it, you finally click on the OK sign, which means you've made all of this into one picture. If you see, we can still highlight them. So just click on OK at the top, and now it's now one image. Nothing can be highlighted, everything is saved. So you can just click here and save it to your device. So that's all for this tutorial guys. So thanks for watching. If you're using the free version, you'll only be able to save as this. See you guys in my next video.